As the utility world becomes more dynamic, complex, and data-driven, it is more important than ever to be agile. Customers increasingly seek customized, cost-effective products and speedier delivery across asset-intensive industries like power and utilities. Changing business models and increasing costs are disrupting all asset-intensive businesses. However, what does this mean for asset management? Unplanned downtime and asset failure, low overall equipment effectiveness and machine availability, high CapEx and OpEx, low system reliability and capability, regulatory frameworks, knowledge optimization, increasing volumes of data, high total cost of ownership, high inventory holding cost, low customer satisfaction, safety and risk management. Did you know poorly operated industrial equipment today is causing waste of $5,600 per minute in unplanned downtime and generating unnecessary global emissions? Over 7% of global emissions can be curtailed through cost-effective energy and material efficiency measures. A connected asset solution can improve the reliability and availability of physical assets of electricity, water, and renewable energy utilities while minimizing risk and operating costs. Tech Mahindra AssetRise is the answer. AssetRise is an integrated solution for optimizing asset and work performance in business. This agnostic solution can be integrated with any enterprise asset management software like SAP, Maximo, IFS, Oracle, and all other operational technology systems. AssetRise delivers real-time centralized monitoring, optimized asset performance, better decision-making with real-time data, improved future investment in assets with better information and analytics, intelligent information flow through all your systems, forecasting and predictive maintenance. At a time when we center our focus towards clean energy and judicious use of renewable resources, we need innovative mechanisms to improve our operational agility. AssetRise helps businesses shift their existing maintenance strategy more towards strategic maintenance. The predictive insights about assets help to foresee asset conditions well in advance to avoid failure. The real-time visibility of asset data, alerts and notification management, and simulation of performance data with digital twin and advanced pattern recognition using AI/ML technology helps to predict asset health and hence ensure sustainability, availability, and reliability of assets. AssetRise optimizes the performance of assets by leveraging technology that thrives on predictive insights and helps businesses predict before failure, optimize maintenance costs, reduce unplanned downtime and risks, improve asset utilization, lower inventory holding cost. AssetRise transforms businesses from being reactive to become proactive by analyzing large volumes of operational data along with business data to help offer management and decision support, enable IoT and IIoT connectivity, extend asset life, enhance customer satisfaction. AssetRise is the right solution for asset performance management, efficiency, and sustainability for the industrial sector. It is an ecosystem of multiple augmented analytics applications that help power and water utilities, aerospace, automotive, steel, glass, oil and gas, healthcare, and shipping industries deliver high asset efficiency, performance, and reliability. To get started with AssetRise, get in touch with our experts today.